Hello. First Halloween tutorial of the year. This is very simple. We're using the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette to create our eye look. And it's really simple. If you guys want, you can do any eye look. Basically, what this tutorial is going to be is gore for beginners. So this is just an add-on because I like the way this came out. I kind of did a sloppy application, but got the full impact that I wanted with a nice glitter. I also used from their, I believe, Tutti Frutti collection, some of their liquid glitter. It just added so much to the look and was so sparkly. So if you guys have ever wanted to try those, I 100% recommend them. It didn't crease, looked beautiful. So I'm going with a lighter foundation and my current foundation. So I use the Lancome and the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I believe with any look, not necessarily Halloween, you should use a nice foundation because it's, the base for all of your makeup. So we're just concealing here. I'm using the Tardis Glow Contour Palette and darkening up the contour to really deepen it, and just concealing with some of the Too Faced concealer. We're just doing my under eyes now. And yeah, going in with the CoverGirl Brow Definer pencil, my absolute favorite. I just actually posted on Instagram that I've probably bought like 23 of these. And they're so good. I use the shade Soft Brown, and it's... Next up is the Becca blush in Snapdragon. Here we are to the important part. Wipe off that makeup you just put on with a makeup wipe. I'm using liquid latex, cotton, and an old sponge to apply the latex. So this is all about layering and basically trial and error, figuring out how long to wait for things to stick. You can really just go right in with the cotton, or you can wait just a tad and let that latex start to dry. Just kind of like applying false lashes with lash glue. You kind of have to wait it out. You don't want to stick it on right away. But I basically go in right away because it does dry and stick relatively easy. So this is the first time using this liquid latex. I did like how it turned out. So I definitely... Last year I used a liquid latex from like Party City. It smelled terrible, but it did really well. So any liquid latex is going to work. You can find this one on Amazon, and I'll link that below as well. So this is trial and error. Wherever you want to make gore, you can put this kind of texture. If you want texture in your skin. I'll have another tutorial with liquid latex coming up this year, so don't you worry if this is blood and gore is not something you were wanting to do. I can show you another way to use it. So basically, for the next couple minutes, you're just going to be watching me place it, pull it off with some of my tweezers, and momentarily I'm going to realize that I probably should have covered my lips with the lipstick that I was going to choose, and I'm just going to go in with a pencil instead. And I think that lip pencils kind of last longer than lipstick, and I didn't want it to run together with the blood that we have upcoming. And I have a bunch of cotton going up my nose, but I am a-okay. Oh yes, model. Zoolander. Alright, I got my pencil. This is just the red Gerard Cosmetics lip liner. And I'm going to line my top lips. And if I didn't tell you guys, this look was created because of the song Killer Queen by Queen. Obviously, I can't use that for copyright reasons, but I love that song. And if I could, I would have played it. All right, so we're covering the cotton with the foundation that we had mixed earlier. And that's just going to give that skin texture, because if I were to have eaten someone, their skin would have come off in the process. So disgusting, right? So now I'm just playing around, making it gross as possible, adding more where I feel like I need it. And then we're going to go in with the blood that I mixed. Now, I have a recipe. I don't personally, but my friend Fernanda from Pompberry posted a recipe I will put in the description box. And now I put in my Camo Eyes white contacts, and I'm starting to add the blood. I'm filling in my lips really quick because I nearly forgot. Starting to add the blood. I recommend doing this if you're going to do mouth blood, doing the recipe that I posted down below and just stippling it on. And then I've changed into my costume. You can make this any costume of your choice. Adding more blood for drip effects for photos, and that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this beginner gore, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in my next Halloween video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.